गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरुवाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ गणपते नमः गणेशाय नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायण। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम गुरुभ्य ओम। ओम सम नो मित्र सम नो वरुणः सम नो भवत्वर्यमा सम नो इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः सम नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सहनावतु सहनो भुनक्तु सवीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते नारायणी नमस्तुते। ॐ Hari Om Tatsat. Hari Om. Kindly get ready for the practice of short meditation. Gently close your eyes and keep your body absolutely calm and quiet. Mantenga el cuerpo quieto y relajado, ojos cerrados, al instante para practicar meditación. Develop the body awareness and feel the body absolutely calm and quiet, motionless, tenseless. Feel the body just like a divine cosmic temple, just like a statue, just like a rock. Now withdraw the awareness from all worldly distraction. Withdraw the awareness for all worldly distraction and feel state of harmony, state of tranquility, state of calmness. Think and feel, I am not the body, I am the peace. I am not the mind, I am the peace. I am not the senses, I am the peace. I am not the intellect, I am the peace. I am not the ego. I am the ocean of joy. I am the ocean of compassion. Infinite peace is within me. Joy is within me. I am cheerful. I am blissful. I am joyful. Almighty Lord reside within me. I am never alone. I don't have any tamasic or rasic thought. I don't have worries, preoccupation, fear, anger. I am the state of joy. Keep your face smiling, relax. Your face is radiant, smiling, smiling and smiling. Each breath you are receiving the joy. Inhale, love, divine cosmic love. Remain 5 minutes calm and quiet and feel the transmission of the divine energy. You will listen, your inner voice of joy. God speak through you, listen through you, hear through you, walk through you. He is everywhere. He is all pervading. He is omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. El Dios está a todas partes. Pueden sentir la presencia de fuerza de Dios en su corazón. Tú eres un ser muy especial. Dios te envió, está contigo. Lord reside within you, with you. Continue feeling and experiencing. प्रेम मुदित मनस कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मनस कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मिटे पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम। भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम। कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। परम शांति सुख निदान परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम। निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 परम परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम संत हृदय सदा बस एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 महादेव सतत जपत महादेव सतत भज दिव्य राम नाम काशी मरत मुक्त करत कहत राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 माता पिता बंधु सखा माता पिता बंधु सखा सब हे राम नाम भक्त जन जीवन धन एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। Hari Om Tassat. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Hari Om. Start the day with the God. Fill the day with the God. And that is the way to the God. God is invisible. Resides within us and everywhere. Existence of the God everywhere. Each and second. Only empty your mind of worldly distraction and fill your mind with full of thought of joy, the love, the compassion, the harmony, calmness and serenity. You don't have any friend or you don't have enemy. Whole world belongs to you. God belongs to everyone. Even the enemy, God loves everyone. God, invisible force is within us. Without the God, we cannot do anything. Ram, Almighty Lord, and Mara, the death. The reverse you say, there was a great saint called Narada. Narada, he was a great, he's a son of Brahma, Narad Rishi. And his mantra is Narayana, 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 Om Hari, Narayana, 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 Om Lakshmi, Narayana, 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 Om. So Narada, he goes in the three worlds. One day he was walking in the forest. Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. In that forest, he had a cage and he was entering the cage. And he saw the one person was sleeping in the cage, daytime. And he said, who are you? Why are you sleeping daytime here? He said, my name is Valya. I'm a terrorist. I'm a dacoit. My job, I have wife, son, and whole the family. But my job, night, to rob and to kill and survive. I give my money, my children, and my wife, my family survive. I do. That is my job, to killing and robbing. And Narad said to Valya, what you are doing, that bad karma, killing and surviving your family, they are agree, go them and ask them, I do all the bad deed, killing and murdering and survive for you. He says, go and ask him. He said, if I go and you will disappear. So he tied with the rope with Narada, and that Valya went to his family, with his wife and son, asking, I do bad karma, bad deed. I kill, I rob, I'm a terrorist. Do you participate my karma, my bad karma? His wife and children say, that is your problem. If you do bad thing and give the money, that is your duty to survive, to make them. He come back and ask the Narada, he says, my bad karma, then they don't share with me. Then he give his mantra, from today, stop doing that terrorist job and murder and killing, do your own karma. He initiate him, he give the mantra Ram. The Ram, 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 he cannot say, he said Mara, 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 Mara. Mara means the kill and destroy. And finally, he realized Rama, Rishi Maharshi. He became a greatest Maharshi in that area, Dwapar Yuga, time of Rama. His Guru, Narada. And Valya become Valmiki. Find out about Rishi Valmiki Ramayana, you will find greatest enlightened soul he become. Before to born Rama, he write his whole history of the Rama. Valmiki Rishi. Conclusion, bad deed you do, bad karma you do, serve other people, that can change if you have proper direction of the Guru. Valyacha Valmiki Jhala, this is Marathi language. Means bad person became a good and realized the God. We do all get bad thing in a life and good thing. Or karma, or action, or deed, looking, hearing, teaching, talking. We're doing all the karma. And part of karma to be happy ourselves and give happiness to other people. But doing bad karma, bad action, killing, murdering, stealing, all the negative thing, we are away from the God. My dear friend, peace called Shanti, Salon. The peace is not coming from outside. How much collect material thing, how much name you have, how much fame, how much money you have in the bank, how much people love you. But you are empty if you are away from the God. The invisible force of the God resides with you. Increase the divine presence within you. Life will be full of bliss and happiness and joy. Karma. What I should do in this life? What is my purpose in life? How long I'm going to stay here? The moment he born, the baby cry. You also cry, I also cry when die. And the moment he born, we also born too. Birth and death together. Birth and death born together. You cry because I born and one day I'm going to die. That's birth and death, this is the life, and that's called like in between two. River at two shores. The birth and death, life and death. So this life, a precious gift, time is gifted, time to giving. What you want in the world, what you want for family, for yourself, your duty. Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha, there are four principal things. Dharma, righteousness, your duty. Artha, obtain the material thing. Artha, Dharma, Kama and Moksha. You work morning to evening, whole month you and money come to you. And that Artha, to fulfill your desire. The desired ambition infinite. Need is minimum. Artha you collect to fulfill the calm, the desire. This I will never finish. To do dharma. Ram is dharma. Krishna is love. प्राण जाय पर वचन न जाय, रघुकुल रीति सदाचर्याय. Ram say, Lord Rama, what I say I'll fulfill. That is my dharma. The word is powerful, thought is powerful, action is powerful part. You do your action, do your dharma properly, and desire will follow automatically. Do your karma, do your dharma, and moksha, nirvana, anubhuti. The purpose of life, to know yourself. Nirvana, anubhuti, moksha, realization, self-realization. Last Sunday I was talking about Swami Shivananda, Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Yeah, Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Patanjali, Maharshi Patanjali. Be good, do good, be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. Unearth, meditate, love, give and realize. This Ashtanga Yoga. Meditate. You create the cosmic divine love, not limited love. You say, I love, and suddenly you say, I hate, because he don't do. Your anger come. Why the anger come? Because the person don't follow what you want. What is the purpose of anger? Why the anger come? Where the anger born? Due to your action, your word. Artha, kama, dharma, moksha. This life is to realize. Life is very just like a bubble. Moment. There is no sure what will happen next moment. One person has a dream. He was a king. And his king has only one son. He has a dream because his son died. And he was crying in dream. His wife, the queen, sitting next to him sleeping, and he says, what happened to you? She wake up. And he saw, he says, my son died. I said, no, he's not died. He's still sleeping. I saw the dream. My son died, and he was sad. Dream. If you die in dream, still you are present there. The whole world, you look just like a dream. Daytime, you see that everything is a dream. Dream called swapna. The three stages of the mind. Jagrat, Nidra and Swapna. Waking, sleeping and dreaming. Now I wake up, you are listening, hearing, using the ear to hear wonderful thing, mouth wonderful talk, eyes to listen wonderful thing. Mahatma Gandhi has a 3 monkey. Not to talk bad, not to listen bad, and not to hear bad. These are 3 monkey. This thing happen, control. Artha kama dharma, purpose of life to realize yourself. Even 5 minutes, 5 seconds, you listen that pure voice, divine exists within me, fear disappear. When the sun come, darkness disappear automatically. Even light come, wisdom come within you, your ignorance. Suffering cause of avidya, asmita, ignorance. We suffered due to our limited programming mind, tamasic mind. Tamasic state of mind, the low state, anger, nervous, worries, preoccupation, all your thing you collected in mind. That is state called tamas, negative state. Rasic state, controlling, dominating, ego. And the third one, sattvic, sattva, balance, harmony, calmness, tranquility, peace, courage, willpower. Think what state I am. Right now you are losing what kind of state here. Are you worried? Are you preoccupation? No, you are listening. My message is coming through and you will feel wonderful. I'm smiling, you are smiling. Think about your life. Life is very temporary. I know you are a wonderful yoga teacher. You're practicing spiritual, practicing different religion. practice and follow your dharma and the karma. The first karma, I want to realize who is within me. Is God exist outside or inside? God. Look, the flower, I come from Guatemala, Karuna Devi sent her garden. She has a wonderful garden. Yesterday I got, look, she's a garden, Guatemala. Karuna Devi, she sent it flower. Who make the beautiful flower? We have in the garden, Jamuna Devi called this morning, he says, Swamiji, we have a wonderful guest. Who? The one flower come. Who put the color in the flower? Who put the sweetness in the mango? A different color. Look, you know, everyone drink coconut tree. Where the coconut brought? Bank of the ocean. How the ocean is? Salty. But coconut, you open the coconut, outside hard, but inside coconut sweet. Who put the sweetness? My dear friend, God exists everywhere. Miracle God. God don't live in church, temple, synagogue, or any four temple. God everywhere. God everywhere within you. So be a friend. That's why I call Tumeva Mata Se Pita Tumeva Tumeva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tumeva Tumeva Vidyadrinam Tumeva Tumeva Sarvam Madeva Deva. We call God, you're my mother, you're my father, you're brother, you're my friend, and you're my relative, you're everything. This teaching of Lord Krishna. God is your friend, is your brother, is your father, is your mother. You have all relation that don't exist. Sometimes I lose my family also. I had a family. I lived 60 years before I was in family. Now I don't have. Now you are my family. I'm not there, you're not there, the God always there. What God exists? The five part. The first called Vayu Devata. Vayu means the prana. Surya Devata, the Agni Devata, sun god. Light is there. Can we live without the sun? If the sun, there's no day and night. Can you live without the prana? Divine Mother Earth, Prithvi Devata. Earth, give everything to us, Divine Mother. Earth, the Prithvi, God give it. She's a mother. We walk on the earth, she never tired. Water, we are the only part of land, Prithvi, and 3 part of water, around water. Water, fire, air, ether. These are the elements within us. This body composed 5 elements, but God invisible everywhere. If you want to be peaceful and joyful, follow the simple. Have a faith on the Guru, faith on the God, live a simple life, humble. That's why I love the teaching of Swami Shivananda. What he say? Simple living, high thinking. Mahatma Gandhi used to say. Buddha used to say, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, Lord Buddha. Not to harm no one. That is the greatest dharma you can do. Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Satyam Vadam Dharmam Charam. Speak the truth, any condition. That is a great dharma. Satyam Vadam Dharmam Charam. Satyam Sharanam Gacchami. Yogam Saranam Gacchami. Sangam Saranam Gacchami. Buddham Saranam Gacchami. Surrender to the will of divine. Control your tongue. Any condition. How much you read or practice and do meditate, if you don't speak truth, you are lost in the forest of ignorant. Speak the truth. Satyam Vadan. Dharmam Charan. Mahatma Gandhi used to say, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Ahimsa, non-violence. Not to harm to no one. Poor people, Sick people, weak people, animal, bird, person don't have your status, you are rich, or you're educated person, don't harm none, don't worry to harm anyone. This is simple teaching closer to God. Life of Jesus was simple life. People harm him. They put him nail. They put crown. But he says, I am not the body. I am not the mind. He's Vedanting. Lord Buddha was a prince. He born in between India and Nepal. His kingdom. His father was a prince. He was father a king. And they said he will be also king. But his destiny was different. When Buddha born at 2 months age of Buddha, his mother died. And his mother's sister get married with his father Yasodhara. And they say this boy is strange. As soon as he died, he's done. But he has come to special mission. Buddham Saram Gacchami. He get married. His wife is Yasodhara. His son is Rahul. And one day, while son and wife is sleeping, he left his palace, but he became a beggar. He changed everything. And the beggar, they bodyguard in the gate they throw. He started his mission. And Buddha, he become divine being. We remember everything. Buddha is close to our place we call Bihar in India. Bihar. Lord Buddha, humble and simple. He make many monk, many saint. Simple teaching spread throughout the world. Especially Buddha teaching went to the Japan, Korea, North India, and throughout the world. Here in America, Buddhist temple everywhere. Buddha, you remember me when you become more humble and simple. Kill your ego. Shanti is within you. Peace is within you. But difficult thing you want to achieve, and that always bring happiness. So what I was talking? Ram Rahim, tu hi Ram, tu hi Rahim. Allah Ishwar tero naam, sabko sammati dega. Mahatma Gandhi used to stay. His bhajan, his kirtan Mahatma Gandhi. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavan Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavan. Allah Ishwar tero naam, sabko sammati de Bhagavan. Mahatma Gandhi. One boy went to the Mahatma Gandhi. He said, Mahatma ji, why you call Mahatma? Why you call Mahatma? He said, I am so little. That's why they called Mahatma. Mahatma, great soul. Atma, Mahatma. Paramatma, Jivatma. Jivatma, individual soul. Paramatma, divine cosmic soul. Mahatma, great soul. So you are that soul. Humble and ego. Humble. The teacher of Mahatma Gandhi, someone slapped him right, and he will say, left is waiting. You don't have to do that one. Great saint, show with action, with the word, not only giving order. The teaching of great teacher, Rishi Maharshi. India is a great country. I went to travel in Spain, where the tomb of San Francisco Assis. It was a great saint, San Francisco Assis. Read his poem, very powerful poem. It's like a poem of Mahatma Gandhi, Shivananda. They're Eastern saint and Western saint. The great saint, the Mahatma Guru, They come to change the quality of life. They change us quality of life. We are human being. We are normal human being. Here, couple of mind. 50, 60, 70, 80. We don't go up to 100 years. Now I'll be December 20 next month. I'll be 75. 75, spend time. I thought, not 75, starting 1. How much time left? Depends upon the time, how much breath you eat. Each minute we take 12 breath, 10 breath. How much breath you take whole day and night? While you are breathing, who breathes for you? While you are sleeping, who breathes for you? Life is breath, life is prana. Prana, apana, vyana, samana, uddiyana. 5 kind of prana. The air which you inhale is free. Air which you exhale, air which you digest the food, acid distillation, air in the heart. When you talk in air, movement of the lips, movement of the ear, everything prana. Digest the food, distribute the food, assimilate the food. Toxin you distribute. Food you eat and you expel. My dear friend, the divine mystery is not intellectual knowledge. The God, you can understand intellect and mind. God filled in the heart. The mother of your love, you cannot explain the word. Your mother, love in the heart. My mother, that's called Matru Devo Bhava. First or God, first Guru is mother. Matru, Ma, Mami. Different way, Ma. That love, pure love. 9 months, mother keep 9 months. This 9 months, when mother is pregnant, you are me, everyone. Whose the creation take place? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. The 9-month creation. I know Karuna Devi is the mother of 2 beautiful children. I cannot be mother, I can father. Ram Rahim cannot be mother, but he take care of her daughter. He will be a good cook. The mother, when the pregnant, 9 months, how this creation takes place. One for eye the same place, the nose, the ear, the mouth, the hand, the brain, and whole system, the heart, digestive system. So who create? We paint and we cannot put the voice. 9-month divine mothers creating take place. After 9 months, she cannot keep. Divine cosmic gate open, and the first breath we cry. I said, now I was protected with my mother, now problems start. God, cosmic mother, within ourselves. Father and mother, always they care. Sitaram, Radhe Shyam, Narayan and Lakshmi. Lakshmi Narayan. First mother Lakshmi Narayan, Sita Ram, Radhe Shyam, Gauri Shankar, Gauri, Uma, Parvati and Shankar. First mother, respect the mother, respect the woman. The people don't respect the woman, the girl. She the cosmic mother. Just like you finished last month, 9 days of Durga, worship of the mother in India, everywhere. Mother is very powerful. She is Shakti. With Shakti, there is Bhakti, the devotion, energy come. Mother is energy. All You are mother, not woman, is Shakti, the powerful energy. Without the Shakti, nothing exists. That's why conclusion, respect your mother. Matru Deva Bhava. Mother is the first God. Pitru Deva Bhava. Father is the God. Acharya Deva Bhava. Guru is the God. That's why Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shakshan Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. The Guru is the father, the mother, and divine being. His form of Brahma, Vishnu. Brahma who created the universe. Vishnu who preserve. And Shiva, Trinity, eliminate destruction, negativity. His Param Brahma. The philosophy is too much. Let us make it nice, simple. Let us follow the simple rule so we can share peace and happiness to the world and become happy. The disease will disappear. Doesn't matter what happens. Mahatma Gandhi used to say one thing, if whole world, if you take the ammunition bomb, Om will be atom bomb. If take, and really he fought India independent without war. And he used to say, Mahatma Gandhi, ahimsa parmo dharma, not to harm no one. Without fighting, he became independent, India became independent. So, ammunition, destruction. Why there is police? Because people steal. Why there is military? Because people need the possession. Why there is judge? Because they want proper punishment for to bad thing. Bad and good. God don't punish no one. Human being create the rule and follow the rule. Nothing wrong. This we live in the society. I keep the gate closed. I have gate outside. And the one person come and he says, Swamiji, why you close your gate? I said, I have tiger come, tiger with the two legs tiger. I have to get protection, we need it. Protection needed. But this is the society, we have to protect ourselves. Protect your peace, protect your joy, protect your happiness, protect your life. That's why follow the simple rule in the life. What is my duty? I am a yoga teacher. I am a Swami. What is duty of Swami? Duty of Guru. What is duty of disciple? Disciple who follow discipline. We call Guru and Sishya. Disciple and Sishya. What is duty of whole world? The nature fulfill duty. The duty of sun every day come in light. What happens? Sun will not come for 1 month. Huh? Mango has duty to give the mango. Nature do your karma properly. Human being only not fulfill. What is different with animal and human being? Human being, animal being. Animal love their father. Animal love their cow love their children. Bird love their children. You know. Human being has intellect and can realize the God. But animal being. Can fish live without the water? Can fish live without water? No, my dear friend, fish cannot live without the water. And when fish want to drink the water, she has to go up and drink the water. We cannot live without the love. Just like a fish cannot live without water, we cannot live without love. But that quality of love. Love without expectation. Give without expectation. We give and we expect. I'm talking, I'm not expecting anything. My job is to talk and give good direction, good advice. It is up to you, follow or not. Follow. Give. God gives surplus peace. You know all this, you have wonderful people, you write a book. I don't read, I used to read, now I don't read anything. I analyze and I follow I'm telling what of my heart. Anger, worries, preoccupation, fear, ego, I don't have. I hope that should not touch. My ego disappeared. My anger, my worries, my preoccupation disappeared, and I feel I'm close to the God. Close to the God. Only try, get rid from your anger, your fear. Oh my God, wonderful telephone I received. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One person talking with me, he has a telephone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But he only think, yeah.
Hariom Swamiji. I think it's me,
Thank you, God bless you.
Rodrigo. It's just my Zoom is crazy. I have a cold and
Okay, God bless you, God you. Okay, saludo. Hari Om, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om, have no home, work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be Anandam. Hari Om, have no home. Hari Om, have no home, work not, food nor money, have none. Still I will be Anandam. Hari Om, have no home. Hari Om, have many home, work not, food not, money, have lot. Still I will be unhappy. Don't listen that pattern, I say. Hari Om, have no home. This is Song of Sannyasim. We used to stay in the ashram with my guru. We are 108 Swami. Swami Satyananda starts sannyas courses 1970. If people come more than 40, 50 countries, 108 Swami. And the course was 12 years. Such Swami has to 12 years, complete simplify in 3 years. Swami Satyananda used to teach everything with us. But he was very humble, very simple, very joyful, very friendly. He become angry, but in his anger you feel he's giving blessing and joy to you. It's a great honor for me to be his disciple, great honor to be follow his teaching and spread his teaching. Swami Satyananda, he's not physically, but still he's there. His heart, his teaching. The Guru, Sadguru, the Paramahansa are very few. This kind of Paramahansa, you cannot count in a finger. He worked more than 120 countries. He has more than 200 million disciples in the world. But he's humble and simple. But people have more disciples, more name, more fame, ego increase. I don't talk of the politics. I am not politician, I follow everyone. But politics of your life. Let this life joyful, happy, contentment, and be a king of joy. That's why Lord Jesus is a king of peace. Rama, Krishna, Buddha. God appeared 24 incarnations. But most of the living now know Rama, Krishna, Jesus and Buddha. But God appeared 24 times as human being. Jesus come as a human being. Buddha come as a human being. Ram was a human being. Krishna. But he preach and teach with example how the world can be peaceful, joyful, happy, contentment. तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तू सत तू चित आनंद तू ही, तू सत तू चित आनंद तू ही, तू अपार निराकार निर्विकार, निराकार निर्विकार, बिंदु भी सुंद सुबी, तू अपार निर्विकार, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही राम तू ही कृष्ण, निराकार निर्विकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तू ही गगन तू ही पवन, अति आनंद अति आनंद, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार. 1976 I was in Colombia and I invited Swami Satyananda for retreat. This is 60 kilometers from Bogota, the one place, very beautiful place, and we have retreat, and 500 people were then retreat. I was arranged this program. This Swami Paramahansa come from India, and he come, was going on, all the people are there, and he started this song, Tero Naam O. He's a sweet song. He has a very sweet voice. He was singing this song, Tero Naam O. Means you are infinity. You don't have form, you don't have name, you're infinite, you're everywhere. This song is very powerful, Omkar. Tero Naam Omkar. You are infinity. And start raining, the heavy rain, and all the retreat place full of rain. And he stopped raining. And after that, some people come, Swamiji, we cannot come because there's a lot of rain. So 1/2 mile people are waiting. 1/2 mile there is no rain, but only retreat place was the rain, heavy rain. We don't call miracle. He says, I don't believe in miracle, I don't make miracle. But name is power. The God is a power. We believe that experiences, that time, the Swamiji, it was raining only retreat area. And after that 1/2 mile, there is dry totally, there is a single drop of water. What happened? Do you make miracle? He says, I don't make a miracle. Divine make everything. I am just instrument hand of peace. The Gurus, Sadguru, Paramahansa come, the real Swami. There are many Gurus, commercial Guru, one name and fame, but few Guru, few Master, few Paramahansa, few Sadguru, guide, inspire, selfless to the people. I went to his ashram, he never asked me anything. I don't have any money to him to give. He never asked me my name. He never what you want. I said, Swamiji, I come, so I surrender to you. I like to be with you. I like to work with you, help you. He says, live. I was living. Very humble, very simple and very joyful, very always funny, always joyful. So after 108 Swami, we got only 25, finally. And after 25, he selected 12 Swami. And 12 Swami, he selected me to leave the ashram, to promote, to spread his knowledge of Vedanta and Yoga. Swami Shivananda's Vedanta. Vedanta, Yoga, Bhakti, Vedanta, philosophy of higher self. Vedanta philosophy, his Vedanta is like, who am I? I am the body, I am the mind, emotion. But Bhakti, feel the God in the heart with the love and compassion, Bhakti Yoga. I am Bhakti, I am not Vedanti. Bhakti, the love. Love for the God, love for the mom, love everyone. If you love everyone, you don't have friend, you don't have enemy, you have everyone, all this thing. Okay? Josefina Hariom, Anandi, you are so sweet, I am very happy. I like your smile.
Thank you, Swami.
¿Cómo?
Thank you very much.
¿Cómo están sus niños?
También, muy bien. Gracias.
Usted, única persona mirando de Santo Domingo. Swamiji fue 2 veces a Satyananda and he used to call Santo Domingo. Donde vivía yo en Santo Domingo, había árbol de mango. Y nosotros comíamos mucho mango. Y él dijo el nombre de Santo Domingo, Santo Domingo. Swami Satyananda le gusta mucho al pueblo dominicano. Él fue 2 veces. Mucho. Gracias para él. Gracias Karuna Devi, mandar su flor de su jardín es muy lindo. Esa flor que está aquí, lado mío, ese jardín de Guatemala, llegaron de Guatemala. Yo no sé cómo mandaron de Guatemala. Ella mandó no sé cómo se mandó. So, Hari Om, Hari Om, have no home. Voy a cantar una canción del maestro Guru Mahima. गुरुदेव मेरे जब पास खड़े मैं आस करूँ किसकी जब बाह गई गुरुदेव मिले तब बागवू किसकी जब नाथ मेरे दिलदार मिले मैं खोज करूँ किसकी जब रूप अनूप छटा उनकी छवि और लिखो किसकी जब प्रीति अपार लखी उनकी फिर प्रीति चहु किसकी जब बागी अदाई सदा उनकी फिर प्रीति चहु किसकी जब दासी हुई शरणे उनकी फिर शरण गहु किसकी जब चरण शरण गुरुदेव मिले तब चरण कहु किसकी ऐसे habla is the gurus, how divine is Guru, how Guru changed my life. Satyananda changed my life. Father gave me his body, but what he has given, selfless, infinite, pure, I feel that connection with him. The Guru, remove darkness, avidya, is very powerful. So Swami Satyananda, tradition of Shivananda, Sankaracharya, this is our tradition, Saraswati is everything. All the Swami they call Ananda, Shivananda, Satyananda, Brahmananda, Pramodyananda, Yogananda, all Ananda, and they are Saraswati. Saraswati tradition, very powerful tradition. So I am very happy. Yo estoy muy contento. Gracias. We do Shanti part. Close your eyes and we'll see tomorrow. Om Asatoma Sadagamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhotu Shantir Bhotu Purnam Bhotu Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhotu Om Trayambakam Yajame Sugadni Pushtivadam Urvarko Vina Bhutto Mukshya Bhavashat Om Tavim Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Troye Bandhu Shatra Om Shanti Hari Om Tassant Hari Om Thank you Hari Om